Alright, sorry for the bug shit all over my window, but headed over to meet a buddy of mine and his son, do a little bit of camping, see if the salmon are running yet, and just kind of hang out and see what happens. Anyhow, here's the ride. There's the edge, like right there. But hopefully, I don't know if that's going to show up. The rivers, well, that's still part of the lake. I wish we could get down into that. That would be badass. I know there's kokanee down there, but where we are going should be, that's where I always go to snag anyway. So anyhow, I'll catch up with you in a bit. Alrighty. That is our biggest lake, and we finally got all met and on the road, and now probably about 18 miles, 20 miles, and that's where we hit the campground. So anyway, it's going good. Now just got to get all set up. Might have to come down here and get some driftwood. Nah, I doubt it, but looks like the wind's starting to get choppy on the lake. I don't know, this is gonna be fun. Except for those skies don't look too fun, but that's the joys of camping. It is what it is. You deal with it, you enjoy it, and you're just glad you're not sitting at the house. Alright, later. Righty. We are at Destination Fish Fry. That's what we're gonna call this, Destination Fish Fry. But right up here, we're going to set up camp, and I will keep you posted here. Catch you in a minute. Alrighty. So we toured all over the damn state today. Kokanee aren't running, so not like it's that big of a deal. But we went up to Creed, Lake City. Well, we went to Lake City, then over to Creed. And I'd never been to Creed. I got video of that little town. It was pretty cool. So anyhow, fucking Texan. Come here, girls. Bunny, get over here. I hate them. These guys need to get the hell out of our state and never come back. I'll go across to Oklahoma and won't go to Texas. You guys stay the hell out of here if you're from Texas. California, don't ever have to worry about me. Just stay the hell out of here. Alright, we got that established. So anyway, what I'm doing is looking for girls, looking for any fish, and just see what happens. So anyhow, this is kind of what it looks like. I'm just going up the road. What I should do is go down this, go across, and hit that deep pool right over there. All right, later. Oh, this little hole down here has some pretty good fish in it. Getting to it kind of sucks. You got to kind of side hill back underneath this cliff right down to that edge. But the fish hound had to go wading, and so she spooked him. But I'm waiting for my buddy to come down and see if he can drift a worm through there. They were going after the weirdest panther martin I have. It's white and orange and yellow and all kinds of different goofy ass colors. But it seems like they're going after colors. So, anyhow, that's what that did. What do you think, Chip? There's Bunny. Bunny, are you doing all right? Bunny decided she didn't want to sleep beside me on the tent floor, so she climbed up on the cot with my buddy's son. Apparently she wanted to snuggle. I don't know, but it was kind of funny. So anyhow, I know this hole has some decent fish. I walked up quite a ways, but I should have did a video. There's a blanket with rocks on it, but I wasn't sure what the hell that was about, and there's about a 5-foot drop off, and I really wasn't into that. Might have to investigate that on another day. This is our last day that it's supposed to rain, and so hopefully tomorrow's a lot nicer, as long as it don't get hot. So anyway, that's kind of where this is at. So I will catch you later. We went all the way back there to the log jam, kind of like in front of that rock, only it goes across, and it is not looking good for salmon at all, and that sucks. I think right up here is where the old mine is. But I'm gonna go up and try that next pool. Come up and show you the mine. I may have shown it before. I ain't sure if I did or not did. I don't know if that silver will show up. I don't know what the hell that is. It ain't a fish though. Yeah, right up here. That's where the mine's at. But I'm gonna try some of these little pools and try to catch a couple of fish and do a fish fry. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think it's Forest Service or somebody comes in and puts those grates up. That way people can't hide bodies and shit in there. But got the fish hound. Bunny, she's right up there. I know one thing, I'm ready for this rain shit to quit. God damn. I'm about rained out. I just hope it's raining at home. That would be awesome. Alright, later. No. Alright. Combined efforts. See if we can pick up. Bryce bagged 3 of them. And see if we can tag a couple more. The girls don't like that car going by, do they? Alright, I'm gonna shut this off. It's pissing down rain. Well, on the way out, got everything all rolled up and headed back home. Been a hell of a time though. I really enjoyed this. This was just an awesome trip. So anyway, getting out of here, and I know Bryce and Ryan are headed back over to Woodland. I'm headed home. Should be home here in about, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours at the most. All depends on if there's any road construction, but it's Sunday, so I should be able to fly under the radar and get rid of those water drops. There's the river down there. Anyhow, that's your look at the Lake Fork of the Gunnison River. I should have got some video up at Lake City, but I didn't even think about it, and there was something going on, and Texans everywhere. God damn. So anyhow, alrighty, I'm gonna close this up and get the hell on out of here, so I will catch you later.